beautiful fashion lovers, welcome back again to my channel. So today we'll be making these beautiful straight skirts. Okay, we are making pencil skirts today and it's going to be long one. So we are starting by folding our fabric into this way. We are folding it into this way with our hip measurement plus sewing allowance. Then you go ahead to mark your hip line. After marking your hip line, you mark out your knee line, your knee. You're going to measure your knee from your waist to your knee. Then you mark out the length of the skirts depending on the length you are working with. So this is the length I'm working with. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you head to mark your waist circumference divided by 4 plus sewing allowance. Then on the hip line, you're going to mark a hip circumference divided by 4 plus sewing allowance. For me, I added just 1 inch. You can add 1.5 or 2 inches, depending if you can manage it. Then under my knee line, I'm going to mark my waist measurement there because I want it very penciled. Okay, this is what I usually do if I want to get a good pencil skirt. Okay, I will use my waist measurement on my knee line. Yes, I will use my waist measurement on my knee line. All right, so if that method is not okay for you, you can just remove 2 inches from your hip measurement, then you place it on the knee line. That's some method that people are using. Remove 2 inches from your hip measurement, then you place it on the knee line. That's another method too. But for me, what I usually mark on my waist, that is what I will mark on my knee line to have a very pencil skirt. Okay, you can try the method and check if it will work for you, but if not, stick to the one that you know. So moving on, I will place the front side on another folded fabric to cut out the back side, adding my zip allowance. Then I go ahead to cut it out and split the zip allowance side. Okay, now I've gone ahead to cut lining for what I cut out initially for the both front and for the back. Okay, and this is what I have after cutting out the lining. Now watch this place. You see the hemming side, you see the way I flip it, this is the hemming side. You see this hemming side, this down side. I'm going to remove 2 inches from the lining. Only the lining, not the Ankara, only the lining. So remove 2 inches from the lining for both the front and the back. This will help you to fold in your skirt very well. Okay, I'll still show you how you're going to fold it, how you're going to get the real outcome, the beautiful outcome of this 2 inches that I removed from this lining. Okay, still place what you remove at the front to the back side and still cut out that same 2 inches from the lining. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing here. So when you're done doing that, you're going to hold the Ankara this way. Hold the Ankara, join the bow together, the Ankara and the lining. Make a straight stitch like this. Okay, then just a straight stitch at the hemming side only. Don't touch the side first. So after holding it, this is what I have. You know, after removing everything, the lining and this Ankara will not be the same again. You are going to drag it to get something like this. So go ahead now to hold the sides. This is where you are going to hold the side. Okay, so go ahead, do that for both the front and for both the back. Okay, do that and this will be what you are going to get. So I've gone ahead to do that. You see, this is the outcome of everything after joining all the lining to the fabric, to the Ankara. Okay, then I also went ahead to hold my dart for the back side. This is the dart for the back side. You can use 5 inches for your dart. So now let's head on to the back side. This is where we're going to work on first, the back side first, before we go on to join the both. Okay, get the two back side, front side facing front side, back side facing back side. Get the both like this, then measure 1.5. Okay, this will serve as zip allowance. Initially we added 2 inches, but after turning it will remain 1.5. Then mark down your zip. Your zip to be 8 or 9. mark down your zip allowance. Okay, mark down your zip allowance, which will be 9. Then on the hemming side, measure the slits, how you want the back side to open. For me, I usually use 20. I usually use 20, 19 or 21. That's if I just want it to be too open, you get. So measure out how long or how lengthy you want the back split to be. Okay, for your free movement. Okay, measure it. It depends on how you want it. So this is what I measured. Then from where my zip space stop, I'm going to hold that place to where my slit for back stopped. I just use my hand to illustrate it very well. So that is where I'm going to make a stitch. So I've gone ahead to stitch it up this way. You see, I've gone ahead to stitch it up this way. Then I use pin to secure my zip allowance side. Then I'll go ahead now to shape the side to get with my body shape, or the body shape you're working with. Go ahead to shape it, to shape the both side. You're going to align the both together. Okay, yeah, this is the outcome after shaping it. Can you see the pencil is gradually coming? It's not even gradually coming, the pencil is showing already. Can you see how beautiful this skirt is? Yeah, this is where we are now. Now go ahead to fix in my band, and I'm using my waist measurement for the length of my band. Okay, you are going to measure your band 2 inches for your band, but for this fabric is not much, so I think I use 1.5 for the band, 1.5 inches for the band. I'll go ahead to join that and I will bring it for us to see. So I've gone ahead to fix the band, fix the waistband. Then this is the outcome. Can you see how beautiful this outcome is? So let's go ahead now to fix our zip. Let's go ahead to fix our zip. Okay, maintain that allowance that you fixed, that you use your pin to secure. Maintain it and you will get a perfect and beautiful pencil skirt after fixing your zip. Okay, once you are done with the fixing of this zip, that is the end of this tutorial. Okay, can you see our pencil skirt? Can you see the downside, how pencil it is? The inside is well stitched. I don't think there is need for weaving or something, because there is nothing to weave, because everything is well stitched. If you follow this step, you're going to get a beautiful pencil skirt. Okay, watch next video to see how I slayed this beautiful skirt. Yeah, this is how I slayed the beautiful pencil skirt with this top. The tutorial of this top is on my YouTube channel. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video, like and comment. See you all in my next video. Bye.